All right, this is the Bissell vacuum cleaner, Cleanview Helix Deluxe Total Home Cleaning with a 3-year warranty. I picked it up at Lowe's for $99.99, which you know, it's some assembly required, but hey, for $100, let's see. We're gonna see what all is involved in putting it together, which I don't think is much, but and then we're going to review it and see if it actually works, if it's worth the $100. Which, you know, there are vacuum cleaners upwards of $1,000, and I'd say the median price for a vacuum is around $400 now, so we'll see. Okay, assembly seems fairly straightforward and easy. I haven't looked at the directions yet, but I think I'm got that. We have one Phillips head screw, and that's all. It's pretty simple assembly. May need a longer screwdriver. There's that, and I've got a few more things to put on, and then we'll see how she works. I don't know if it's an extra one or... Yes, it comes with a spare, so it comes with two. They go here, which is kind of neat. Now for a test run. Everything piece of cake to put together. I mean, really wasn't nothing extensive. There wasn't anything extensive. Didn't need the directions. It's common sense.